Welcome to Concepts. Chapter 4, Time and Work. Time and Work hi section nga ka hinom kini. Section number 1, Unitary Method. Section number 2, Variation Method. Variation method hi hile different workers having the same capacity ho ngin. Section number 3, Time and Work. Hichi problem hi hile different workers having different capacities. Number 4 hi pipes and cisterns. Number 5, work and waste. Introduction. Quantity kiti hi percentage asan can explain tan. Quantity kiti hi it's a term hi I will use it very commonly. Anything the value of which can be measured. Metsa kisim ho hi quantity hi zingena. Ala quantity kiti ho hi there are two types of relations. Direct relation, inverse relation. Unitary method apply thip na ding nga hi. It's a relation teni hi het nga ye. It's a teni hi explain hin bal nge. Ama sa penai direct relation. Quantity needs to directly related ipiti na ham. If value of one quantity increase, value of the other increase. Aniya increase ay halajan itabang ho hi direct relation kiti. Direct relation ho hi around 95% of the quantities which we study in maths. It is directly related. There are 2 or 3 examples of quantities which are inversely related. And time and work chapter ahin na pangin, it is very important. So inverse relation kiti piham tile two quantities te nature it is inversely related iti patle if value of one quantity increase value of the other quantity decreases na opposite at hita bang ho he inversely related kiti. Now I will explain in detail with examples. Types of relations. For example, number of shoes to 1 shoe, 2 shoes, 3 shoes ki measure thai china it is a quantity number of shoes. Khacho le cost of shoes ale to achte ni ga compare with these are two quantities. Keng ko khat to zanga man a hile keng ko ni zat man hi de sang khat man hi jing cha na ale keng ko thum chula sang le zanga man hi jing ni cha na le. So number of shoes increase a hi hile number of cost of the shoes also increase ita bang ho hi they are directly related na direct relation kiti ho icha pibola relation ni poi moham ti ahile formula ki apply pai azat chum chum me unitary method a so zia we have to know the relation ale tu ahi a car moves at 40 km per hour ahile a meaning to 1 hour ahi 40 km cover dicho ahile each car in 2 hours ahin izat kilometer cover boldem. Will it be the same 40 km? It won't be na. By logic, by common sense, no, it will be more than 40. In this case, it will be 80 km. So time increase distance increase na. So in this case, time and distance they are directly related. It is directly related. Leto ahi Sisipur to Imphal 60 km hitcho ahile nanghin pungkhat. If you want to cover this distance in 1 hour, then you have to travel at the speed of 60 km per hour. Ahile to ahi num taani sinum you want to cover this distance in 2 hours. Ahile na speed to izat hidim 120 km per hour hidim na. That is the equation. Laya to increase ahile ilanga jang cost increase langa time increase ahile distance increase. Hichata banga to time increase ahia lahin. Speed hi increase ngai dem hilopi na 120 km per hour na chi ale chun you will reach in 30 minutes hilawang na le. So in this case the answer will be actually it will be 30 km per hour cha. So time increase ahi ale chun speed decrease na ita bang hi opposite ta cha time and speed they are opposite to each other so they are inversely related iti ai kizi cha akizi dan cha poi mo poi na. Laya ka sa inom to there are two types of relations direct and inverse relationship ho chu bibola poi mohammed ya hele formula ki apply dan unitary method ki zadan pa hi it will be different so acha relation hi het ngai. Topic number 2 unitary method. Unitary method di group nya ka hinom kene group number 1 direct relation. Group number 2 inverse relation. A direct relation jang to case ni akho ka hin hom kanin unit value known unit value not known. The case study in the bolute ahile unitary method jang hi atam zo in he diu ai la wal ibon je ke wa jang he sa hui di cha but explain ka volume na ji hi le application ni hung sang ji in question ni su twist in tho the ji ji wa hi unitary method a het de dan pa explain ka volume se a ai la wa hi le ken ka za di dan pa explain ka vol ma sat nom ji ai to detail a kan explain ma sat de 1 kg of sugar to zakat man he tiute. So in this case, illustration number 1, unit value non. 1 kg of sugar to zakat man he tiute. Ahile kg ni to zat man ide. Zani man hi jing chuna le by common sense. So ilai quantity ten hi directly related. Bana to kg thumla. Kg thuma hi ale chun it is rupees 300 hi he rucha. Ale to ahi ipiti hung pot ham cha ko na ipi conclusion isip diu ham. Ahile conclusion is diu ka dei sa to chi kg khada pat kg ni hol do ding a hi ai le chen chi multiply bol ding na abula chu 1 kg chu 100 hi lawang ai le 2 kg ka hol do ding ai le chen 2 to 100 cha multiply ka bol cha ai le chata banga chu 3 kg ka hol do ding ai le 1 apat 3 kg ka hol do ding ai le multiply ka bol cha na chang 300 so it will be 3 into 100 chata banga chu the same logic 1 apat 12 kg hol do ding ai jong le 12 into 100 is in channel ai 2 I 3 by 4 fraction hi tai fraction is only to below a bola na bon sa kya ke bang so okay 1 kg apat any number in hold ding ale multiply ke bolzi so in this case 3 by 4 into 100 multiplied is cancel the bola le this will be 25 the answer will be 75 rupees okay to in point tai point mai jong le the same thing 1 kg apat any number to multiply ke bolte te so in this case it will be 1.5 into unit value na unit value chu chi lawa chata banga cha n kg hi tai tu n kg hi a jong chen n into 100 x by y hi a jong chen x by y into 100 lai conclusion chu conclusion ni ka sip no min conclusion number 1 if you know the value of 1 kg of sugar if you know the cost of 1 kg of sugar then you can find the cost of any quantity any number of kgs of sugar na this is conclusion number 1 conclusion number 2 1 kg apat number dang ho in holo de phat le multiply ke jange in this case it is direct relation na direct relation na itia ki bol chis to ahe case number 2 unit value not known illustration cost of 10 kgs of sugar is rupees 200 rupees 200 that is the cost 10 kgs so this is 1 this is 2 so normally hoi japan hi direct relation idiom hoi japan hi inverse relation idiom tile inzo ka sei banga cha 95% of the case it is always direct so unless it is speed and time a lawa number of men number of days a lawa lechan you should know it is always direct na direct hi it hizing taute ele to ai 10 kg of sugar chu ke rupees 200 ti cho kg som chu zani man he ti ai le kg khat izat man hi de question chu sang ni man hi dem ai lawal som ni man hi dem ti cha na question chu common sense is a ai le chen kg som chu zani ai le kg khat chi ti sang ni di chu ti ai le chen kun kg khat ga cho di mi zo sen kg som ki cho ta ding na so this is not possible it has to be rupees 20 so if it head ham number dang apada 1 holo de palen divide ke bol zicha for example in this case 200 to multiply the lower divided by 10 no bol ai chen it becomes 20 so this is the concept number dang apat 1 ahile divide ke bol zi so one value ne tai meaning unit value ne ta unit value ne ahile number dang ho it's very easy to find one apat number dang multiply ke bol zi chana so in this case unit value 20 rupees 1 kg to 20 rupees ta unit kiti jo 1 ti nai chana chi sai nai cha unit value to 20 hile 12 kg to it will be 12 into 20 is chata banga to 3 by 4 ti a jang le 3 by 4 into unit value cancel bola le this will be 15 question 1.5 point apana jang to below the same thing 1.5 into 20 so this will be 30 rupees na so this is direct relation ahe direct relation ahi number dang apat 1 holo ding 1 kiti ji unit value hai na unit value holo de phale divide ke jang ai le 1 apat number dang hi phale multiply ke jang to ahi abana hi inverse relation ni bol diu na inverse ahi exactly opposite hong hi di lai ahi multiply hong hi ding lai ahi divide hong hi di abana hi inverse relation inverse relation. Okay, case study number 1, number of men to number of days. One man, number of men ta na, can do a piece of work in 100 days. This is the second quantity. Number of men, number of days. Okay, mi khat hin na at sang se ato le 100 days a chai cha. A question chu, two men hin tong le 200 days alut them, ahi lawa le 50 days alut them. Common sense jangkit lewhan. Mi khat chon chang se ani za khat mi ni chon ni za ni ele kun hte ni recruitable ta na mi a chang se min ni za khat a ke chai te di chu mi khat employable le phajing hi lawang or a meaning chu mi ni sang mi khat a ha joi ti nei jing cho na thum dan chu. So logic fails na in this case. So mi khat in 100 days mi ni in na to a hele chen ni som nga lu di chu zong chu ipiti het u ham ti le one apat number dang chu ipiti ha 100 divided by 2. So in this case, it is 50. Like I say, no mucho, it's a inverse relation hita. Inverse relation azi chu mi tam che che le number of days lom che che ta chana le number of days lom che che, that means it is inverse relation. Khat tam le khat lom, that is inverse. So inverse relation na ipiti umam ti le 1 apat number dang holo de phat le divide. Ahile to ahi chata banga chu 5 men in is zat ala dem 1 apat 5. Example chu 100 divided by 5 is in na. So 1 apat n men here jang le, it will be simply 100 divided by n. Chita banga chu 1 apat 1 by 2 man. For example, 1 man hatu ta che 1 man chu 100 days ati ta cha. Ale to equation hold in ti chu half man ki ti chu mi khat chu an yeu zi chen half man ti jing taw na le half man hin ni zat la dem ti chu ti ai divide ka bol sang a chu direct ka na 100 divided by 1 by 2 to 100 divided by 1 divided by 1 by 2 to 100 divided by 1 into 2 by 1 gati sanga cha. In this case direct chung lang I solve which I think 100 into 2 days. So in this case it will be 200 days. So I hope this is clear. 1 apat number dang hold na ding cha divide ki bol ji ti pha le when the relationship is inverse. Okay, unit value not known. Case number 2. 10 men, this is the first quantity, can do a piece of work in 10 days. This is the second quantity. Number of men, number of days, two quantities. Amate ni inverse relation chana. Ahile to ahe 10 men can do a piece of work in 10 days. Ahile 10 men apat 1 man hold out. Ahile mi khat chen is at atong dem. Chiten he divide the ball ale chen 1 day hung pot chana. Ahile chuti ahi thau thawa hi le chen mi som gui sanga chu mi khat hung phati ta chen aji chu mi som chen ni som ala a mi khat chen ni khat bo ala ai le chen mi khat chu ha da ha zo ti ne chu. So in this case mi som sanga chu mi zo se mi khat agoi no mi cha na, but that is not the case na. This is not possible by common sense. So in this case it will be 100 days. A meaning to inverse relation hi phat lehin. Inverse relation hi phat lehin. Number dang apat 1 holo they phat multiply ke bol ji. In this case it will be 10 into 10. Ahile 1 men I het awe 1 men I het ahile number dang ach it's very easy to find by doing divide na. So in this case it will be 100 divided by 5. So in this case it will be 100 divided by 25. So in this case it will be itin balute 3 by 5 men to 100 days ti ta cha. Ahile to equation chun. Okay, kasai hil tai na 1 man to 100 days. Ahile 3 by 4 men. 1 apat number dang to divide iti chu na divide hi phal in ti ji ve ta chi anui lang achung lang pa anui lang a chi in tin anui lang pai achung lang ai tin ga chi ji ve ta. Topic number 3, common area of application. Time and work. Time and work ahi quantity thumumi tiu chana work done, number of men, number of days. Ale icho thumi relationship study bolote. To number of men to work done. Amate ni it is always direct tiu chana work done na pansil a direct ising chata banga chu number of days to work done. Ela mate ni problem azong it is always direct na work done panazaw si chu direct. Le tuhin work done na pangte po ay la wala work done so it is constant. Okay, constant stand lo chu chom khat ana high mil jing taw na. Tuhin number of man, number of days. men to days hi phat ai le chen this inverse ti hilawang na. So it's a chapter hi these three quantities work done, number of men, number of days, icheng thum hi study bolu cho chi a cho icheng thum a relationship bi heading a poimo e number of men, number of days hi pa le chen inverse hintin work done pan phat ai le chen it is always direct he ti jing chana chata banga ju food and supply hi amount of food kiti it is the same thing as work done iti pau ten hong ki bang ta cha chi supply of food hi. So number of men to amount of food so it is direct, number of days to is also direct, but number of men and number of days these two will be inverse. Two in conceptual questions pa be solve it. The monthly income of a person is rupees 3,000. How much will he earn in 6 months? Number 2, compare ga baluti a man earns rupees 3,000 per month. In how many months will he earn rupees 1.2 lakhs? Like question na do to ipiha. How much will he earn? Question do to how much will he earn? Ado to che. Like in how many months will he earn this? Aile. To a unitary method is that dani. Monthly income of a person is rupees 3,000. How much will he earn in 6 months? Question na do pa hi anu khai pan sa ji diu cha meaning monthly income of one person is this, a meaning to piham tile itiaga zik thai cha 1 manahi rupees 3,000 asang e ti cha ahila waile or rupees 3,000 hi 1 mana asang e ti thai cha. To in this case ani ni adi cha, but a question nung zui ai hoi chi ka za di ham, there is the question na question in ado cha how much will he earn in 6 months. Earn ado cha asuma do cha na asuma do le anu kha ado pai anu kha pan sa ji chana lai ha ma sa pang tai la, not this one. So it's a pai is adu question in ado pai anu kha pan sa ji ding. So in this case 1 month 1 manachu rupees 3,000 ahile chi direct relation is in chana number of men, number of days ahilo phale direct is in. So 1 month ahi days question chana do chu 6 months ajla 6 months ahile 1 apat number dang to direct hi pale multiply to hilo. So in this case it will be simply 6 into rupees 3,000 chong to 18,000 is in chana. Chita banga to number 2, a man earns rupees 3,000 per month, a meaning to 1 month 1 panai rupees 3,000 earnable or rupees 3,000 hi 1 mana earnable. Ani ahi di ai wanga question solve na dinga hoi che nup zodi ham, there is a question is hila hile da che pen ila hila hile I thought sa vai ji problem solve phat le che ai di ta hoi che pen zo hi za di ham ti het ya poi moi question na do cha how many months ati how many months ti le months si anu kha pa tin anu kha koi din na. So in this case it's a pai za di rupees 3,000 to 1 month ahi tai question chen how much will he earn rupees 1.2 lakhs ati tai ale 1.2 lakhs ati cha question chen na ale to ahi unitary method ke ti chu pi ha unit value ne het ahi le chen any value of any number ne het thei chen na cha chama sa pe nai pi ke bol ja thang pi a generally 1 na ki hol los na ale rupee 1 hi ama hi ni zada thai zada earnable di, there is a question number dang apat 1 hi phale divide ki bol ji chana. So in this case it will be 1 divided by 3,000 divide na ai to ai 1 apada in zat ha 1.2 lakhs 1.2 lakhs ti cha it's hi le in this case 1 apat number dang to multiply. So 1.2 into 1 by 3,000 chi okay I unit age bang te poi chi rupees a hi in chi lakhs a hi na lakhs dang cho 120,123 rupees ti nai cha na unit ke ba sa ai in me cha hi 120,123. So cancel wala let 0 thum cancel wala days we get 40. So the answer is 40 na. So it will be 40 months. Ai le pen hi piti ke bol gmt ai le chen shortcut diwa cha shortcut ti di hi mai in hi chi chu a concept hi nong po do dan na to hi rupees 3,000 to 1 month a hi le hin rupees 1.2 lakhs to direct ka itya bol ji step number 1 divide na bola unit value ta chla. Step number 2 multiply 1.12 lakhs. So itya hi ke bol ji chana I 1.12 lai chi bol khilo tam 1.2 1.2 1.12 1.2 rồi 1.20 so cancel bola let this will be 40 so it will be 40 months tai ke bol ji cha a man can do a piece of work it is a one work in 12 days then the number of days required to complete 3 by 4 of the work to I question the number of days till days is no ding I la 3 by 4 work ke pi a hele chen work zi ma sat ding question nu zo ya chu one work chu 12 days a cha ya ti cha I la question do chu 3 by 4 ti cha 3 by 4 work one apat number dang hold ding le multiply so it will be 3 by 4 into 12 days so he it ya hi het la wa le confuse ji cho lai 3 by 4 fraction hi ji a chu khat ve ve le achung lang pa wa na ki solve for example 12 into 4 divided by 3 it ya jang hi ka ki bol num ji cha it tai bol answer is option an kit ngal ti vel na so mistake abaya be hin confuse in lo ding a hi it ya hi het dingo they sa na ji ta explain ka hin bol na detail a bula pada so work done pangta work done panai le chen direct ta che direct relation hi jing chana work done pan zo sia che so one apat number dang che multiply bol so de hi jing ale to I question number 4 question chen pi sa ya a boy can do 2 by 5 of a work in 12 days find the number of days required to complete 5 by 6 of the work number of days adong na chi ji chen work done ji ma sa question nu zo ya chu 2 by 5 work it is completed in 12 days ale to hi work done upon ji a chu relationship is direct hi phat le cha par a one work hold ding one work hold ju na work done I confuse in so number dang apat 1 ai le divide it hi lo divide means 12 into cross multiply chi divided by 2 6 equal to 30 days ale to hi question do chu pi ham 5 by 6 ati to one work apat a hi 5 by 6 hold on thai ta cha 5 by 6 hold on ding wal multiply 5 by 6 into 30 days cancel bola 5 so the answer will be simply 25 days na it ya he deu hi ka dai sai John can do 0.25 of a work in 45 by 4 days. How much work will John complete in 10 days? Question do chu how much work ai le to I given information gpt zi duta work done chu zi nu kha din le so 45 by 4 days sungai na to do za chu 0.25 it is 25 divided by 100 work ai lo 1 by 4 work he tiu te like e hoin I hold on no mo chu 10 days I hold on no mo chu 10 days I hold on no mo hi le pi hold on de jong la ma sa pe na unit value het ma sa ju ngai la na 1 day a ki hold on ma sa ngai ta chla ale chi hi work done pan ji a chu direct ita chu direct relation hin tin direct relation hi pat le number dang a pat 1 to divide meaning to pi ham ti le langai 1 by 4 lang khara chi pat le reciprocal ki su ji na 4 divided by 45 cancel bola hele 1 divided by 45 is I hele to I one apat number dang hold ding a hi a hele chen 1 by 10 into 1 by 45 is so this will be 2 divided by 9 work so this will be the answer A can do 60% of a work in 12 days. Percentage ang kipitai. How much work will be done by John in 7.5 days? Question na do work done na do so chizi acho injo abang acho given information ipiti zi liuta work that is inu kha dio 12 days teacher 60% of the work 60% of the work na of the is into tinai cha na of the work so itin cha para acho 1 day chu 60 kiti chu 60 by 100 ti na ya ele chi lang divide kiti chu anui lang aga di ti na chana le tu ai ste ni cancel bala hele 2 1 by 20 work ale 1 day apat number dang hol lo ding question chun 7.5 days ati 7.5 ong chu 15 by 49 lo na 15 by 4 days sorry 15 by 2 days katina 15 by 2 days ta chu ale 1 apat number dang hol lo ding hi pha le chen multiply bol ding 15 by 2 into langkara ko 1 by 20 3 4 ahile so this will be 3 by 8 of the work kinizing chana so this will be the answer. Eight men can do a piece of work in 28 days. Then to complete the same work in 16 days, then the number of men required is like a piece of work it is. So it is one work. Question chun the same work at each na so this will be one work so work done is constant work done constant it is the same so unitary method ahi it won't be a part of calculation na ale to ahi work done chu iki het mo sa deu ta cha question nung zu ya cha 8 men to 28 days bo hi u mai gel deu ta cha constant hi pa le hin ta ignore ki bol ji cha. Then to complete the same work in 16 days, the number of men required is number of men hold the entity. Chisi chun men chu all anu kha aji ki tau te question dung zu ya chun 28 days ong chu 8 men hitai. To ai number of days to number of men ahile to ai it is inverse relation ta chu ahile to ai one man okay 1 day a hold ding 1 day a hold ding chu multiply so this will be 28 into 8 ahile 1 apat ai number dang hold ding question chun 16 days ati 16 days a chu it will become divide so it will be 28 into 8 divided by 16 cancel bala 2 cancel bala 14 so the answer will be 14 men. So to complete the work you need 14 men 14 men. It takes 60 days for 40 men to complete a work. So quantity thum number of days, number of men, work done thum. If 50 men do the same work take it tai so work done is the same it wouldn't be a part of calculation. So calculation I need both is adi with the question number of days taken to complete the work number of days adong tai to hin number of days ado ahile chun number of days to z no kha adi ta ja question 40 men chun they can complete 60 days ahile men to days so it is inverse relation ahile to I one man a hold the ute one man chu it will become multiply 40 into 60 days ambana chu men apada chu question chun 50 men so this will be divide 40 into 60 divided by 50 cancel ka bola hele this will be 8 the answer will be 48 days. To ahi direct inverse direct chu d chna number dang apat divide 1 direct hele dia ki pan chna het nom de dan chu divide a ki pan masa ale inverse to opposite he ja chu multiply a ki pan masa ding 1 apat dang chu divide a ki pan de it ya hi mel chi thei chu as it's very confusing na apply hil a ba chu so it ya jang hi het thei we direct ya le chen d for divide a ki pan masa ti dan di. A group of workers completed 2/3 of the work in 20 days. Find the number of days required to complete 4 by 9 of the work. 4 by 9 of the work. Number of days all the into. This is the 2 by 3rd work completed in 20 days. Work that the panji it will be direct. Direct ahi divide masa. So this will be number dang apat 1 to divide it will be 20 into 3 divided by 2 days. Equation chun hold the integer 4 by 9 work 1 apat number dang tapat chu multiply bol using 4 by 9 into 20 into 3 by 2 days So cancel ibola le 2, cancel ibola le 3. So the answer is 40 divided by 3 days. Option A2, mixed fraction be in 13 1 by 3 days. So this will be the answer. So it's a conceptual question hi wagin exam level question hi tai na. A car covers 2/5 of a journey in 2 days 2 hours. Find the time required to complete the remaining part of the journey. Ai la tu a hi actually time and distance problem hin. Time and distance formula ko nang solve thei na chi jang la to ai unitary method focus is chun unitary method in solving cutting. Question in how the integer find the time required. And to I 2 by 5 of the journey to completed in 2 days 2 hours. Unit ki basa ut na 2 days ki teacher 48 hours plus 2 hours 50 hours ti na cha. Ai la question chun remaining part of the journey 2 by 5 is completed ai la chun remaining part 3 by 5 ilaw 3 by 5 no hold ding ahoi hitale 1 a cha hold ngai lawang na ila to a hi journey ki teacher distance ti nai cha distance pan pha la chen it is always direct hi pha la chen divide masa mana multiply no kha 1 a hold out divide ai la chen 50 into 5 divided by 2 cancel bola la 25. So see 3 by 5 1 apat number dang hai le multiply. So it will be 25 into 5. Cancel ka bola ile I will get 75 hours. 75 hours too. Okay. See days are convertible no mileage. 24 divide ngai ki ta chna le 75 to it will be 3 hele zat he there. 2 1 in hand 72 divided by 3. So a meaning to it will be 3 days 3 by 24 days ti nai cho. Na. So 75 hours kiti so days are convertible 3 by 324 days. Ay la wala direct so 3 days 24 hours is na. 3 days 3 hours is na. Ahung po do dan jang chu khabe ga explain him leng 3 by 24 days kiti jang chu. It is the same thing as 3 days plus 3 by 4 days. 3 by 4 days kiti so hours are convertible nga hile into 24. So kasay hil jang atam zi in I hope you will understand na. For example 24 jang chu 4 he kati 3 by 4 kati ti jing nai ta bang I am very error prone. Say hil jang ka ho zi ana het ki mai ute. 40% of the students pass in an exam. If total number of students who failed in the exam is 360, find the total number of students. So chizong hi problem chu momong hai tai na. 40% of the students pass in an exam. A pass loy number of students. If the number of students who failed in the exam is 360, ita bang problem hi percentage size sa group and parts ho chu cho na. Question chu na sai chu pihamiti le students so hi a pass loy a fail loy o meti chu. A pass ho chu 40% he ti chu. Ai a fail ho chu 60% is ding total number of students so 100% is ding cha na. Ai question na sai chu pihamiti le a fail ho 360 he ti chu. Ai ho in solve ibol ji danu chu pihamiti le ichi a percentage as 60% hi actual value as 60 divided by 100 into each x it is so na number here that was it was x. I let you question 360 at each so cancel ibol ji wa hi we will get 600 that ibol ji na to it's the same thing but unitary method zangutin solve to that each question dung zo ya 60% of total number of students hilawang na 60% of total to question chun it is 360 teacher. Question hold the integer total number of students teacher. Total number of students 100% he tiu hilawang na. So 100% hold out. Inzo ka say banga chu number of men number of days hilaw ko lechon it is always direct ka teacher na. So it's a relationship jang hin direct hintin unitary method apply bol ya le direct apa apply bol dio. So direct apa chipiti ki bola ama sa pen divide ki bol ma sa pen di na direct hili divide ki bol ma sa pen divided by 60 into 100 is in. So cancel the bola this will be 600 na. It is the same thing. Okay, we have come to the end of this video. Unitary method kasi bang chun ama hi application asangin chapter zo se ki apply the hi acha detail akhin se hi na. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new.